today we are here to do a fire safety and a fire hazard talk with you guys. It will explain how to use a fire extinguisher, when to use a fire extinguisher. So if there is a fire, all of you can assist the teachers to act in case a fire breaks out and the teachers are not available, and also to assist the teachers to evacuate. Also, if there's a fire, you cannot get the door open, maybe it's a security door, you can use the door of life to press open the door. I think it's very, very, very strong. Hydraulic pump, those are the pipes connected up to here. If you turn it, it opens, it closes. So you can cut, you can press open as well. And you can press close and you can cut. This is a ram. So this is the handle, you turn it, this piece comes out to here. That's if the car is a roll, it's an accident, the car is lying on top of somebody, you need to get that car off quickly. You put that in and you press the car off. Gas, compressed air foam. I don't know if you guys have seen when they spray the foam on houses. So guys, you just come, whilst they will be standing, take out the safety pin, pick up the fire extinguisher without pressing down, aim at the cone and give a short squirt. Okay.